So, Burnley 0, Arsenal 2. Another clean sheet. That is now 9 clean sheets in all comps in a row. The last team to score against us was Newcastle United. And again, 0 shots against. David Raya could have a cigar on the go in a deck chair with some Victoria Malaga beer or some sangria. Gyökeres scored a header. Who knew? Gabby, again, relentless off corners. So was Declan. And the second goal, Declan Rice's goal. What a move. Make sure you follow Jez. Jez is Arsenal. Link will be in the title. And Jez, first half was a joy to watch. Second half was just seeing the game out, I suppose. We've got a game on Tuesday. But what did you make of that?
Oh, yeah, I thought the first half, it was actually, that wasn't 45 minutes to me. It was like, it went like that. And it was an enjoyable game to watch. It was proper Arsenal football. Credit where credit is due to Arteta. You know, he let the players play, and it's a tough place to go, Turf Moor. So congratulations to him. Congratulations to the team. I like the fact also that half-time he took off Gyökeres. People got Slavia Prague away on Tuesday night. I think that was a good move. I know some people are upset about it, but I think it's a good move, personally. No need to risk him. Scored a lovely goal, poacher goal. And Declan Rice, who knew? He can score from his head as well. Bullet header. Great performance all round. Eze, I thought, slackened off in the second half, if you want my honest opinion. Saka played the full 90. And where he came on, had a good chance. Yeah, good performance all round. Whether it was a tactical decision to try and hold back in the second half, I don't know. But at the end of the day, we closed them out. They came at us in the second half. And without a shadow of a doubt, we have got the best defence in the league. We have shut them down.
Got the best defence in the world, Jez.
Yeah, they didn't have a chance. Not until right at the end, that free kick where it hit the bar. But at the end of the day, you have to give credit where credit is due. I'm not a lover. I'm not a fan of Arteta. But at the end of the day, everything's going his way. And if he does win the Premier League, well done. I'll be the first to applaud. Although I'm not allowed to, I'm told.
No, I thought first half we were brilliant. Absolutely outstanding.
Yeah.
And, you know, that's how I want to see us play football. Obviously, you can't do that every week. We know that. Yeah, but when the shackles were off, yeah, we played some good football, Jez. Yeah, Gyökeres, that was the best 45 minutes he's had at Arsenal. Declan Rice was outstanding. Yeah, he was man of the match for me. I don't know about you, but for me, he was man of the match. I thought he was absolutely brilliant today. Yeah, and there was one chance where he was up the other end of the pitch, and then they broke away right at the end. Yeah, and all of a sudden, he's heading the ball out of our box. I was like, how did he get there so quick? Yeah, he was everywhere today. He was just cleaning up everything. He was driving forward. Yeah, his corners are a joke.
Delivery.
Yeah, the delivery, he nearly scored off a corner. Nearly went straight in. And, yeah, it's all looking good at the minute. And I'm just watching the last 5 minutes of this Chelsea-Spurs game. Spurs are losing 1-0.
Good.
And tomorrow, well, later tonight, Liverpool play. Yeah, if they lose, they stay 10 points behind us. Man City got Bournemouth tomorrow. That's a tough game. Yeah, that's the afternoon kickoff.
Is that at Bournemouth?
I think it's at the Etihad. Let's have a look.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Let's have a look. I think it's at the Etihad. Yeah, it's at the Etihad. Yeah, that's the 4:30 kickoff tomorrow. But that ain't an easy game.
No,
yeah, we just got to keep doing what we're doing because we're currently 9 points ahead of City. Yeah, and we're 10 ahead of Liverpool. Yeah, and like, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to the other teams, but they're the only two that have got a chance to win the league. Yeah, Man United effed up today. Chelsea are winning. Yeah, but at the same time, I don't think they got anywhere near the quality we have. No. And neither of them, so they ain't winning it. Bournemouth, Sunderland, all these other teams, good luck to them and all that. But they ain't going to win it. Yeah, so it's all in our hands, Jez. Yeah, only us can F it up, really, because, listen, if Man City win tomorrow, yeah, they're back to 6 points. And that's still a problem, so we just got to keep going and keep doing what we're doing.
The only thing I'd say, if people think this is a negative comment, it's not meant this way. We've been here before. right? And we've thrown it in the bin. Right now, this is almost like the Leicester City season, where a lot of teams dropped off, including Arsenal, when they won that league. Man City did, Liverpool did, not so much Liverpool, but Man United did. And with this squad, which is a very, very good squad, best squad we've had for a long time, in my opinion, this manager, it's down to you, Arteta. Keep it going. Don't do anything stupid. Just keep ticking it away, ticking off each game, week by week by week. Then I think you'll do it. And I hope you do, my friend, because at the end of the day, you've spent all that money, so you should win it. You should win it. And at the end of the day, you've had a great amount of help from Berta. He's brought in the players that have turned it around, in my opinion. We have, without a doubt, got the best defence.
Easy.
I mean, we were just like, it was reminding me of the defences of the years ago. And by the way, I just want to say, rest in peace, Willie Young.
Willie Young, yeah. It's a bit like the Liverpool team in the 80s when they had Hansen and that in defence.
Yeah.
Like, you just knew you ain't scoring, and if they score, it's finished.
Yeah, that's it.
Same with us with Georgie Graham as well.
Yeah, exactly. It's exactly how it was. And so, I sit here and I was like, wow, again, that's another great win. Turf Moor is a tough place to go and play for any team. It's a small ground, as we all saw today on the TV. It's loud. And I thought today, Lee, the Arsenal faithful were immense. But all you could hear was them. They silenced the Burnley fans. It's all you could hear. And the amount of Arsenal fans that made that journey today, that away section was absolutely packed. So brilliant, absolutely brilliant stuff. And I'll always give, as Kenny Ken says, the Arsenal away fans are the best and the best. Don't care what anybody wants to say. And this manager, you've got it all now, mate, Mr. Arteta. You've got it all. Keep going. Just keep chipping away. And I'm confident that you could do this. Whether he will try and compete in the FA Cup, I don't know. We've got a tough game against Palace, but we are at home. So it's another positive, Lee.
Yeah, we're at home. Yeah, League Cup. That'll be semi-final if we beat them.
Yeah.
We'll be in the semis. Yeah. And this is the thing, yeah, we've got a very good squad. Yeah, and I said this to Kenny, and I said it on the stream. The only negative for me today was Bukayo Saka. I thought he was trash. Yeah, but it didn't matter because the other 10 were outstanding. Well, the goalkeeper didn't have nothing to do, to be fair. Yeah, but when you've got so many players that are playing at their peak form, it doesn't matter if you have one or two that are not on it. Yeah. Whereas when I'm looking at Tottenham, I'm looking at Chelsea, I'm looking at Man United, Liverpool, Man City. There's been a lot of times this season where they've had 7 or 8 players that ain't on it. If you've only got 3 or 4 that are playing well, you ain't winning the game, and you ain't going to win consistently to stay up there, which is why we're top, because we're consistently the best team in the league. Defensively, look at the tackle at the end. I know Gabriel gave the free kick away. Yeah, but look how he was desperate not to let them have a shot on target. Yeah, and now we're talking about this Chelsea record. Yeah, the 15 goals or whatever it is. They'll be talking about that. But at the same time, good luck to them. They've been brilliant this season defensively. Yeah, but at the same time, going forward, we just got to keep winning. Yeah, it doesn't matter how we win. Today was a set piece, first goal, second goal, quality. Happy days. It's one game at a time. Let's not get too carried away with, we're all getting carried away, including us. Yeah, we're looking at the table, looking at Liverpool. If they lose tonight, oh my God, they're finished. Yeah, but Man City are still a threat. And if they win tomorrow, it's 6 points. And we've got to play them away. Yeah, Aston Villa, we ain't played yet. And they're a bogey team at times. We've got to play them twice. So there's a long way to go, but it's all good so far, man. Yeah, it's all good. If we get 15 points speeches, I might just order that bottle of champagne.
Yeah, no, I'm with you on it, and I'll open one as well. But the thing is, what I like about it is when your goalkeeper hasn't got to do anything, right? I'm loving that because at the end of the day, it just shows how good your defence is. And he can actually control from the back, which I like, goalkeepers that can actually command because I see a lot more coming out of him talking to these defenders now, especially he talks to Gabriel and Saliba. And that is a commanding fact that we've had in the past. And maybe this is something that, I don't know, the coaches are instilled into him. But the fact remains that I love it when our goalkeeper ain't got nothing to do. Because those front four are protecting him.
Yeah. And you can see they all love different. Well, apart from Calafiori, he loves roaming around. But the other three, they love defending. Timber loves it. He loves getting in a scrap, bodying people. Gabriel loves it. Saliba loves it. Calafiori less so, but Calafiori, I thought he was good today as well. Chelsea are in there. It's going to be 2-0. Oh, wow. Oh, my days. He's just ballooned that out of the stadium. Open goal. Wow. But no, they love defending. Yeah. And when defenders love defending, yeah, it's almost like a clean sheet to them is scoring a hat-trick. Yeah, and that's why when they're fist pumping when they're making tackles. And you're right with the goalkeeper because he can see the whole pitch. Yeah, so he can go, yo, Gabby, drop back in. Yo, Timber, boom. Yo, Calafiori. Yeah, and that's good when you got that.
That Jurian Timber, mate, I'll tell you what, he's made a hell of a difference.
Oh, wow, that should have been 2-0. Fucking hell.
Down that right flank.
He's class.
He's absolute class, that guy. All right, he put it out the ground today when he had his opportunity.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll forgive him for that because that guy has made such a big difference.
He's been brilliant. He's been our best player this season for me. Yeah, he's so consistent every week, 8 out of 10. Every single week, yeah. But when you've got so many good players that are playing to their top form, the others have got to try and match it, and they ain't. They're nowhere near. They're nowhere near. I've just seen Chelsea just miss 2 absolute sitters in the last 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 2. They ain't going to win nothing. It ain't good enough. Yeah, Man City are still the biggest threat for me. Yeah, but let's hope Bournemouth turn them over tomorrow because if they do, that's 9 points. And if we get to a point where it's like 15 points, 15 points, I think the rest of this lot will give up because you ain't coming back from 15 points. It's never been done before.
Nah.
So we just got to keep winning, man. We've got Sunderland away next. Well, obviously we've got Slavia Prague in the Champions League. And again, we ain't conceded a goal in that yet. And I think Zubimendi's suspended, somebody was telling me, accumulation of yellows.
Yeah, yellow cards, isn't it?
And then we got Sunderland away. If we beat Sunderland away, Man City and Liverpool play each other that weekend.
Yeah, but we're in the luxury position now, right? Zubimendi will be suspended, but we've got players that can jump in. We haven't had that for a long time. And so I'm not worried about that because I'm thinking, oh, okay, we'll put what's name in there?
Marino or someone, yeah.
Marino, yeah, we could put Enquiries in there if we needed to.
Yeah, but even Norgard done all right when he came on. And listen, let's not disrespect Slavia Prague, but we should be whacking them either way. Doesn't matter if we put a reserve team out, we should be beating them.
He had a chance today, he just put it a little bit wide of the goal. But we're in a very nice position. We're sitting comfortable. We're top of the table, looking down at everybody else and saying, well, you've got to come and catch us, boys.
Yeah, facts. And it's nice, isn't it, Jez? Look at us all being positive, eh? Who knew? It's only
down to one man that can fuck it up, mate. Excuse my French. And that's the manager. Because right now, we're in a privileged position. And as long as he keeps chipping away and doing what he's doing, fair play to you, Arteta. Well done. And I'll be the first to applaud you.
Right. What you got coming up on your channel, mate?
I might do a match reaction. I might not. I don't know. And then Wednesday night will be the old school show because Tuesday night we're playing Slavia Prague. So
there we go. Jez is Arsenal. It'll be in the title. We're out, guys. Matty's next. Check Kenny's fan cam out. Check mine out. Tottenham are literally about to lose 1-0 to Chelsea.
Lovely.
And yeah, that's F them up. Their home form shit as well. I don't think they've won a home game yet. But anyway, it is what it is. I'll be live for an emergency meeting in 15 minutes, guys. Bosh.